Let's solve some couple of examples where we need to show inequalities on the number line and list integers. Starting from left, we are given some inequalities and the number lines. In the first one, it says x is less than 3. It says less than only, so I'm going to draw a circle on top of 3. And other x values less than that. That's why I'm going to show the left side with an arrow. In the second one, x is greater than or equal to -2. On top of -2, I'm going to draw a circle, but now I'm going to shade that circle because -2 is included and other x values bigger than that. That's why I'm going to show the right side of inequality. In third one, x is greater than 0. I will just draw a circle on top of 0, but I'm not going to shade it because 0 is not included, and other x values bigger than 0. In the last one, x is between two values where x is greater than or equal to -4 and less than 2. So on top of -4, I'm going to draw a circle and I will shade it as x can be -4. But on the other side, x is less than 2. So I'm going to draw a circle on top of 2 without shading it. And I will just join these two circles. And it shows the possible x values on the number line. If we need to list some integers where x can be, again I can do it without graphing it. All I need to do is just check the signs carefully. X is greater than 2 and less than 7. So x cannot be 2, but it can be bigger than that, like 3, 4, 5, and 6, but it cannot be 7. In the second example, x is between 4 and 8. We have x is greater than 4 and less than 8. So I'm just going to list these integers. Bigger than 4, so it can be 5, 6, and 7. It can be 8. In the third example, x is greater than or equal to -2 and less than 2. So x can be -2, -1, 0, and 1. 2 is not included, as it just says x is less than 2. Next example, x is between 17 and 22. So x is greater than 17 and less than or equal to 22. Greater than 17, we have 18, we have 19, 20, 21, and x can be also 22 because it says x is less than or equal to 22. Last two examples, x is greater than or equal to -4 and less than or equal to 2. So x can be -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. -4 and 2, they are included because of the signs that we have. And in the last example, x is greater than or equal to -7 and less than -1. So x can be -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, and -2. That's it. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below.